Guys, sorry I couldn't record the intro to this earlier, and there was a couple of things that I couldn't show since I was running out of daylight, but you guys kind of get the gesture of it. Alright, so first of all, we gotta take the wheel off to get behind this. We can get the axle out. So my apprentice is about to take it off. Go ahead, son. You getting this, son? Nice. Alright, now you go inside the garage, son, and get the jack, nephew. Alright, next step, we gotta jack it up, put the jack stand. Yeah, that's not the one that falls down, but we should be good with that one. Make sure you get it on the pinch point, lift it up, put the jack stand, then we'll be able to take the wheel off completely, and you already know. Unbolt a couple 17s, that 32, and we're good to go. Alright guys, so now we have this 32 right here that we need to remove. We have that 17 for the lower control arm, and then we have this one for the tie rod that we need to loosen. So it's that one right here, that one, and it should be this 14 right here, and then we can pop out that axle. Alright, go ahead, nephew. Take that 36mm off. Easy peasy. Alright, next we gotta take the cotter pin out of this one right here. Can't really see it due to the light, but there's a cotter pin right there. We'll take it out, and then we can remove the actual tie rod. So what you want to do is just move it, go up to the right, go to the right, and then pull out. Go to the right and pull out. There you go, easy peasy. Now we come back to this side. And you want to get that off, which is a 17. Alright, so now we gotta get this off. There you go. 17 on this side, in the socket, and then we got 17 wrench on the other side. So now we get the 14 and we remove the upper bolt on the fork. Alright, so now we're gonna get that 14 out of the way. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so when this thing is stubborn, it don't want to come out. Give it a couple love taps. Make sure you aim right. And then you're out. Well, almost. Stuck right here. Oh, I see the promise. I need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Alright, so the next one is right here. It's a castle nut for the tie rod. Go ahead and take it off. And it should be like that. If you look in there, it should be in there. Put that aside. Now this is not going to come out easy, so what you got to do is whack it right here with the hammer. See? Bada bing, bada boom. Jerry's backyard garage. Now we take that cotter pin off. Hit it with the 17, son. Now we're off. Try lifting the knuckle for the whole hub. We're almost there. A little bit back more, a little bit back. No, back the other way. No, pull it back. Pull it back. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. Damn, millennials. No, go back down. Go back down. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come on. Lift up now. Keep going. Right there should be fine actually. Alright. So now the same thing. We gotta whack it right here. And those two should separate. Alright, so now that we got those two separated, now we gotta pull the hub out, push the axle in, and then up and over the axle, and then we can pull it out. So I'll show you right now. So go ahead and pull this out. Now pull that axle out. See? Then now this can rest it back on there. If you actually find the, lift it up, nephew, and then you go right here. Push, turn it a little bit, turn it in, but don't pitch the other way. Keep going a little bit more. Okay, now go up. Okay, now go in. Like that? Now that can rest in there. See? So now what we got to do is actually hit the back of this, and then this axle should pop out. Then we go get a place, huh? Yep. So now we'll go get the hammer and we'll hammer it out. Hammer it out, not hammer. Sure. Okay, here's the better angle. So what are we doing, nephew? Pull this out. Alright, so what we're doing is we're gonna put it up at an angle. A little bit, go to the left on the side. Right there. Now go at an angle. Push it towards me. No, watch. Hold this light. Right there? No, hold the light. Alright. Switching. So what you're gonna do is when you grab this, you're either gonna put it right here and then pull that way. So it's like this and then pull that way. Or you can go this way and then grab it, but that's less room. So we're gonna go this way and then just pull back right there. You see where I'm at? Yeah. Just grab and pull that way. So try that. No, put it to the side. Put it to the side of it, and then that's where you have more room. Like that? No. God damn, you about to break this camera, son. So let me see if I can get this right here. So you put it. Oh shit. Hold on. So it'll be like this. You see how I have it here? And then just keep doing that. And it should pop right out. See, like right here, I have a lot of tension on it. So right there, go for it. And just keep it like that. Right there? No, on the side. Be like that, kind of. But make sure it grabs on. There's like a little pinch point, and you'll be able to feel it. Go pull it out a little bit, right there. Now go against it, and you'll feel it. Let me see where you're at. Because right here is a weird angle for me. Alright, let me swap out. I'll be right back, guys. So come over here and you'll see this right here. Can you see it? Okay. Bam. Half shaft is out. Well, the axle, not the half shaft. Alright, Nick. Alright, nephew. Cut. Alright, nephew, go ahead. So now you gotta make sure the splines are lining up. So go ahead. And then go ahead, and you should kind of go in. Keep turning, and then the splines will go in. Kind of force it a little bit. Keep turning. Come on. Damn, millennial, so I need to teach you A's and B's. Alright guys, this is gonna be a tough one. Let me get this on real quick. Alright guys, see, I got it in. Don't ever leave the work to a millennial, I guess. So now that that's on there, have it like this, give it some good wax, and then that should sit. Put your purse down, son. A little bit harder, go ahead. Come on, what kind of thrust game is this, son? Man, I gotta do everything?
You're not doing anything.
Alright, I guess I could put this down real quick for you. So you can. Alright, so now we're gonna grab this axle and this in the same time. Clean this out. And then this shoe just slide right in. Just like that. And all you have to do is spin this so you can line up the splines in here. Just like that. If you look, right here we're in. So the last thing, so now after we use the hub to slam the axle in, so now you get the ball joint. Now we're in. Now you just get the tie rod, line that back in, and then you got to get the fork. Get your fork, you go in at an angle, slide it in. There's a little notch in the back that you have to line this up with, like that. You got your 14 standard millimeter bolt. Get that started, and that's it. So now we got the nut. We'll put that right back on where the lower foot goes. You got this, and that's going on the other side, and then the gun is gonna go right here. Now we're good. But get it close to it. Alright, so now the castle nut for the tie rod. That should be good. And then we got the other castle nut right here. If I can find the damn thing. So right here. I think we should be good. Alright, now we got the axle. 36mm nut. I'm gonna start that bad boy. This, you get this, and if you look closely right here, there's some grooves. You gotta hit it. Say it there. You'll see the grooves. So you get a flathead or a punch, you smack that in and pinch it so it prevents the axle nut from spinning right back out. See right here. You look closely and you'll be able to see it. So now we're done. Now the wheel can go back on and we go for the test drive.